be part of a World Health Day celebration in this premier institution today and to get an invitation from Dr. Jitendra Sharma. It was a great pleasure in this prestigious Omega Hall at the Kalam Convention Center within the remarkable campus of Andhra Pradesh Medtech zone here in Visakhapatnam. This campus is not an ordinary institution. It represents an Indian answer to a global question. When a nation builds such an ecosystem, it is not merely producing equipment. It is producing strategic confidence. I must confess that coming here today is for me not a routine ceremonial visit. It carries a special warmth because I have known the institutional journey not from afar but from close quarters. To return as chief guest to an ecosystem whose broader cause I have long admired is deeply gratifying. I would like in particular to acknowledge Dr. Jitendra Sharma, the founder CEO of Amtz, whose vision and persistence helped shape this institution into a serious national asset. The Kalam Institute of Health Technology and Andhra Pradesh Medical Technology Zone ecosystem reflects precisely that spirit, the determination that India should not remain merely a market for the world's medical technologies, but become a maker, a shaper, and a standards setter in its own right.